everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to make columns in Notion. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official Notion.so website and log into your account. After logging into your account guys and creating your first Notion, you will be greeted by this main page right here, where you can see all the theme spaces that you have in your Notion and all the pages and so on. If you look at the left side of the screen guys, here you can use the search bar, you can see updates on your Notion and so on. So we're going to go ahead and find the page where we want to make columns for. So I'm going to go ahead to this page right here called Movie List. And now guys, while in Movie List, I have opened up this page, and as you can see here I have some objects and some icons that I want to switch into different columns or put one next to each other or under each other and so on. So guys, how do you do that? Well, it's very easy guys, and you only need to do one thing. Let's say that I want to put this journal link to my other page next to either one of these my links. You either want to watch or watched, I'm going to move it next to them. And you are going to do that by finding what you want to move and make into a column. And you're going to find these six dots next to the name of that icon. You're going to click those six dots guys. And now you can drag it anywhere you want. And we're going to drag it to the left side of this icon right here. So dragging it to the left side, now you can see guys that we have successfully moved it to the left side and we have multiple columns now. We have the three columns right here. So if we want to make new columns, we can select a new icon that we want to add and we can drag it again to the left side or the right side of the column. It doesn't matter, and then it will create even more columns. So yeah guys, that's how you do it basically. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.